Hello everybody, time for another session in Blender. This time we're going back to the Castle Gatehouse model and should be able to get more of it done. Let's get to it, shall we? And there. Figure you all don't want to see all my start menu and loaded up taskbar full of icons. That's why I've got that little bar there. Okay, so last time we had finished this piece, and now we're going to finish this one. So to do that, first things first, we got to grab that bottom area on this one. Don't need that. Don't need that. Okay. Just need this little bit there, and that should do it. So we're going to duplicate it and then duplicate the part, tab into the one and remove the duplicate, tab into the other one and remove everything else. And we're going to did I, is there a face right here that I thought wasn't there? No. Okay, then. Is this a face? Yes. Oh, no. Okay, I see. I just grabbed those by mistake. Okay. Okay. Easily tended to now that I know what I'm doing, or know what I'm looking at. Because we don't need that. We just need this. And we're going to flip it so the normals are reversed. And then we're going to join it to this one. And now we can tab in and deselect everything first. We're going to go ahead and merge these sets of vertices. What happens? Oh, thought I had at center selected, but I had at cursor. Always got to make sure you've got the right option selected, otherwise problems will ensue. So there's that. Let's just kind of make sure they're flat. that way, and then go down and get the ones on the edge there, flatten those on the X. Same thing on this side. There we go, and now this way as well. There we go. Now we know they're straight. And what we need to do is get these sized appropriately, so we will grab the one above it, select the inverse, and hide everything. Tab back into the one we're working on. And so this is going to be going in. So it needs to be smaller. Like that should do. And then this one needs to be moved. Okay, now that's in the right spot, isn't it? Okay, so back out to that move. And it needs to increase in size a little bit. Now, that looks good there. But this one, yep. So we just need to flatten along this edge again. Grab all of these vertices and scale 0 on the z-axis. That flattens them out. And now we need to move it back down. Just a little bit like that. So there we go. Now we've got majority of this one tended to. We can unhide everything. Let's get this side put in, and then the joining pegs down here put in. And then that might be it on time today, but we'll see. Right now, let's just get this easy edge out, easy face out of the way. So like that, and make sure only the ones that we want selected are selected, not the ones that we don't. Put the face in, and now just to have to make sure I got the right thing selected. Which doesn't seem to want to be selected, but we get it tended to. Wrong thing. Select the inverse and hide it. And tab back in. We want the entire bit here. Now we're going to duplicate it. Mirror it on the Z. And flip it. Drop it down. And everything is right. Sizes need to move up. So let's grab this one. Grab the ones that we want, not the ones we don't want. And we'll just scale this up to about there. And then we need to grab the other one here. There, and wrong one. There we go. I did that other one wrong, didn't I? Yep, I did. Easy fix. Especially now that I can do it from here. Had a motorcycle start up right outside. Try to keep the excess noise from being an issue. All right, there we go. Now grab these, flatten those on the z-axis, and that make sure this is flattened as well. And there we go. One more completed piece. Next up is this bottom one. And let's go ahead and get some start on that. First thing we're going to do is make a duplicate of this piece. And hit the Tab key to go into edit mode. And like before, we just want to grab these and these. Don't want those. And that one. So now I can duplicate, select everything else, and delete it. Now let's go ahead and mirror this. Wrong key. Or, no, I was right, mirror. Now, need to flip. Sometimes I'm thinking about things right, and sometimes I'm not. So this one is going to need to scale in like so. And then this one will be scaling out. Like so. And now we're going to need to go in and grab all of these and scale them on the Z by 0 to flatten them out. And everything looks right. Good. So now, having that, we can join it with this one, which gives us our angle that we're going to need to follow. We can just pull that out of the way because we don't really need that now that I actually start to think about it. So let's go ahead and pull this down. Let's try that again. Extrude. And then we're going to pull it down on the Z-axis. Apparently whether it wants it or not. And now we're going to go one more extrusion. Bring it all the way down. To there. And now we... Oh. Well, that explains why it was doing that weird bit. Didn't I delete that? Thought I hit the right key to delete that. Well, it's gone now. And speaking of gone, where has the time gone? Looks like I'll be seeing all of you next time. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed the video you just watched. If you did, right here, let's move my head over, there we go, right here is going to be another video in the future for the next in this particular series. And over here is going to be the previous video in this series, along with a subscribe button down below it. So feel free to give that a hit, and be sure to like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't. And let's see. Oh yeah, be sure to leave a comment. I'd appreciate knowing what your thoughts are. Until the next one, everyone.